Warhol had a reemergence of critical and financial success in the 1980s, partially due to his affiliation and friendships with a number of prolific younger artists who were dominating the scene at the time in the 1980s in New York, namely Jean-Michel Basquiat and Julian Schnabel. If you haven't seen it already, I really urge you to go watch the movie Basquiat that was made by Julian Schnabel. Again, Warhol is played by David Bowie. Basquiat is played by Jeffrey Wright from Westworld. It's a great movie and really gives you a really good take on what was happening at the time, specifically those two people. One thing I really want to mention about Warhol was that he was really an avant-garde, highly prolific filmmaker. Between 63 and 68, he made more than 60 films, like real, actual long-length films. And plus about 500 short black and white screen tests. There were kind of like these mini portraits of the factory visitors, like little, kind of, you know, um, in a lot of ways, it was like an early version of a podcast, but they were visual. Um, One of his most famous films, Sleep, monitors poet uh, John Giorno. I think it's Giorno. His film Sleep basically monitors him sleeping for 6 hours. The film Eat consists of a man eating a mushroom for 45 minutes. Another film, Empire, came out in 64, consists of 8 hours of footage of the Empire State Building in New York City at dusk. Seriously, it's an 8-hour film where all you see is the Empire State Building. This played in theaters. An 8-hour, here, watch a piece of, this is literally 8 hours long, but don't watch it all.